Yeah. Hello all. So this presentation is based on an experiment, an initiative which we took at our institute. So what we have done is we have developed a video-based self-learning module for software testing. So under the software testing, we specifically focus on manual testing and automation testing and Selenium automation testing tool. So this activity was done by a faculty at Walls Institute of Technology, and I am PSR Patnaik, and my colleague Anil S. Naik also contributed in this activity. So let me introduce, or let me tell you what exactly we have done in this, and I'll go through the entire activity we have done and the what videos we have developed. The whole focus of this activity was to inculcate an ability into a student for developing a self-learning ability into them. So what is self-learning module? What we are trying to focus, and why we have developed this module? The first main the primary aspect which we wanted to address here was to reduce the faculty time. We know that in normal engineering colleges, faculty every semester they take up the same course, so they go through the curriculum, the same lesson plan. So most often, if we could uh, mold some of our content into ICT enabled content like videos or PPTs, it greatly reduces faculty time. The second point which we wanted to address on self-learning module was to let student learn on their own pace. Nowadays, this is a very immediate need of every student who envision to become an engineer. They need to have their self-learning ability developed into them. So basically we want students to learn on their own pace, and it is also most preferred mode of learning by students. Another point which we have addressed here by the self-learning module is it removes necessitation for physical presence of both students and faculty. So what we have developed, what we have done in this. So we have developed a set of 16 videos tailored specially for students to use for self-learning. So these videos are not in general to give us some information or some one-way type lectures, and these have been specially focused, or specially um, uh, been developed, or the prime importance is given so that student learn something by watching these videos. The other aspect which we are trying, what we have developed and which we have addressed in this is the videos target concepts of manual testing, automation testing, and it introduces Selenium tool, which is a browser automation testing tool most widely used in companies and most widely also used by web designing and development agencies. And these three testing aspects form a vital aspect of software testing and software engineering curriculum of engineering program, which is for computer science and IT students. And not only these videos focus on manual testing and these concepts, they are not these videos do not generically introduce these tools, but they're focused on special learning objects defined. And apart from these videos, we don't leave student on their own. After watching these videos, we do monitor and we do mentor the students after going through videos. Like we have some feedback from the students. Faculty regularly mentor students. They ask, what did you understand from videos, any more doubts in the videos, what you would like more to be introduced in videos. All this mentoring, a general mentoring by faculty is also taken into account here. Moving further, um, these are the learning objectives which we are trying to focus by these videos. So after watching this entire videos, student actually we expect student to develop ability for having the following objectives. So the objectives of this video content, I mean the content delivered through video, is to develop an ability in a student so that he can explain manual testing and automation testing, which is at understand level of Bloom's taxonomy. We want student to be able to explain the types of tools and importance of automation testing tool. We want student to analyze and write test cases. So in short, we want student have a skill to write their own automation testing scripts, and we want even student to get oriented with Selenium testing tool. And we in the end, we expect a student to successfully test uh, and a small a web functionality like logging into a web application functionality by using Selenium IDE. So this the objective number 5 is focusing on apply level of Bloom's taxonomy. So how are videos made? What are the concepts which we have taken care while making these videos? Videos have been kept very short. Most preferable be around a range of say 8 to 12 minutes. Some videos are like 6 minutes, some are like 10, some are 12 and 13. They do not uh, they are not of length of more than 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Why they have been kept short? Because most of research and most of the most of the like the feedback by uh, the MOOC platforms like MIT, OpenCourseWare, and Udacity, what they say is shorter the video, more engaging the video for students. And what we have done is we have also kept a text and audio narration. So we wanted a student to go through text as well, in case if the audio uh, isn't proper for a specific video. And videos, and every video is specifically focused towards attaining or trying to achieve at most one or two learning objectives. So this is very important. We do not want student to learn all the learning objects in one video. We understand it isn't a good scenario for any video tutorial. So we at most we focus across 1 to 2 learning objectives per video. And other one, we try to keep videos as natural as possible, so students should feel that yes, it is as if the faculty is talking to him. Because the students we have at our college, they're all beginners. They are much not into the ICT. Even if they are ICT, they are not used to the video mode of learning. Okay, moving further. So it's a short introduction on what are the contents of videos, what exactly these videos contain. So we have 16 set of videos, and this is uh, a presentation deck which shows you like what these videos are containing. We'll shortly see the actual videos here. So the concept of quality, introduction to manual testing, it's been captured in video 1. Duration is around 10 minutes. Advantages of manual testing, and with video 2 it's 7. Disadvantages of manual testing, it is video 3. So the other video 4, video 5, and they focus on concepts of automation testing and types of test tools. So this video number 6 is 13 minutes, because we are capturing here multiple points related to automation testing, and also we are discussing some of the aspects of creating test case. Other videos 7, 8 and 9, okay, they focus more on these videos. Set from 7, 8, 9, they focus on Selenium tool, and this video is a little bit lengthy, around more than 10 minutes. So the overall duration of this is 37.16 minutes here. Okay. The further videos, they further concentrate on Selenium. These are more on a hands-on like videos. Video number 10, 11, 12, in which they capture the faculty doing actual Selenium. He's using a Selenium testing on that. The same goes with other slides 13, 14, 15, and 16. So this is a glimpse of what video is containing and what uh, they focus on. Going further, uh, what we're doing here is, here we are trying to capture the learning objectives and assessment strategy which is used to assess how well the learning objectives have been assimilated into the student after watching the videos. Now, the learning objective which we want, in which we want student to explain the concept of manual and automation testing, those can be addressed, those can be assimilated into student by watching video V1 and video 1, video 2, 3, 4. And after watching the videos, we ask student a question something like, write a definition of quality product, write a short note on manual and automation testing. So the quality of answers for this question lets us measure how well these learning objectives uh, were addressed by students by watching the videos. So we have identified this, and usually the faculty and students are aware of this learning objectives and what these videos are focusing on. So students are well planned. So the videos are not watched randomly. So they are all watched in a plan. So they are all mapped to learning objectives. So student knows like what he is going to learn before watching the videos. And this is very important. We don't want students to know like what was in video after watching videos. We tell him what is in the video. This is what you're gonna learn by watching this video. This is very important, and we inform the students prior. Well, the same thing which I spoke now. We map learning videos, and every video sessions are followed by an assessment. So these are all the learning objectives which we have captured. So from all the learning objects from video 16. So after, okay, so this is student responses. Before we go to we conducted this session for students, and we had all the assessment strategies and carried out. And here we are showing the responses from a studio, like responses from the students, what they felt about this activity and what they felt about this video based delivery and that. The good point of this videos is that it was a part of video is a hands-on, part of video is a theoretical concept. So we try to introduce both theoretical concept as well as practical concept in the video. So let me show you the contents of video. Like these are the videos which we have developed. So if you open that, they are self-paced learning. So this is an actual video. This is an actual video which students were using this. So this first video is based on giving some theoretical concept, like explaining them what is login for, what is testing, what is important, Selenium test tools. Yeah. Okay, so this is video 1. Now we can take some of other testing. So this is introducing the Selenium tool, and this tells them how to write a test case and that. So these videos have been hosted on our in-house Moodle, through which students watch these videos. So this is how they actually do that, like what they do in hands-on. So students try to replicate, and later we take a small hands-on evaluation of students. So just see how well they have grasped the concepts, or how well they have grasped the skills of using Selenium tool. So we have also captured couple of pictures of this session while students doing that. So this is our Moodle, in-house Moodle. Only the institute has access to it. We do not have a public accessible Moodle. So this is how the Moodle course, which had all these videos embedded into this. On the same Moodle, we also conducted. So this is a session, actually, one of the session where students were asked to. Uh, you can see that they have also text narration here. So here students were watching these videos, and this was actually quiz. Students were attempting after watching the video. So these are the sessions where students were watching the actual videos here. Okay. Now coming back to presentation. So what we found from the student. Okay. So these responses are the summary of a feedback received from a students. So we ask following 5 questions to students. Are video tutorials let you enhance your understanding? Yes, 79% students have agreed. Yes, it enhances their learning. Video based is more effective. Yes, they found it is more effective than a regular classroom delivery. Now there will be multiple factors contributing that. Maybe it's the first time we have done. Maybe it's students this the mode of delivery being used they find interesting and curious. But we found 82% of students out of 56 students agreeing that yes, it was more effective. Where the videos delivered content were meant to be, yes, this was very important. The third thing is actually the strong agreement by students for third feedback is that we have focused every video to the learning objective. So the videos do not digress from what topic they meant to deliver. So that's why we mapped the videos to learning objectives. Videos were of correct duration, yes. So students still found 10 minutes to be a more and kept you engaging, yes. So this is the usual behaviors to students when we watch any video, but we are trying to address it. We are trying to make more interactive videos, like embedding quizzes within the video itself. So even a part of proctored video, proctored sessions would further engage them without any without any negative effects. So usually more proctored, then there is a small component of forceful um, provocation on the students to do that. But fine. So this we found 54% strongly agree. Okay, we are trying to address it. Videos are tailored for self-learning mode of learning. Yes, 80% student, near about 91% of student felt that yes, the videos are for self-learning. So the student agreed that yes, we can learn by watching these videos. So this was only possible if the video stick to a specific learning objectives. They stick to a small duration, and this is what it's very um, motivating for a faculty when we are developing such things. Okay, so I'm done. And frankly speaking, we are trying to develop further more content for multiple things, and I feel this type of activities can be further extended to many courses. And 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 in the end, we want student to develop the self-learning ability more. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you.